Hey guys, welcome to our TED Talk. Just kidding.
Who's Ted?
I don't know who Ted is. I don't know why people say that.
Oh.
Anyways, today is day 31 of our quarantine. And we have just posted a video of our first 30 days in quarantine, and it is quite long. So we kind of wanted to make this video to kind of recap how the last 30 days have been, how we feel, what we've been doing, what we want to do, that type of thing. So, with that being said, what are you staring at?
Nothing. You're talking.
So with that being said, we're just going to kind of, jump into that. So, today, what is today? I don't even know what today is. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, and that is one thing that I've noticed that we've had a hard time keeping track of.
What day it is and how many days we've been here.
Yeah, I do know what day of the week is because this guy is still working from home.
This guy.
At his day job. Yeah, I know. You made a note that I say that too much.
I edit all the vlogs and it's constant. This guy.
This guy.
This guy. I don't care. Doesn't bother me. I've just noticed it.
But yeah, so we don't know, how long, what date, what the date is, and we don't know what day we've been here. We do know that today is day 31 because we just uploaded the first 30 days. So, anyways,
right.
We're starting a new series of weekly quarantines instead of a monthly because there was a lot of footage for you to edit. So
That's right.
I don't want to do that because
it's insane.
It took him a really long time to edit it.
That's right.
It's a really good vlog though, so if you haven't watched it, I'll put a little link somewhere in the description around here. You should click that and watch it when you have some extra time because, like I said, it's an hour and a half long.
Yeah.
But
it's like a full movie.
Yeah, pretty much. But I think a lot of you can kind of resonate with it because, one, we're in our pajamas a lot. 2, I don't do my hair or makeup a lot. 3, like I said before, we forget.
You did it today.
Well, yeah, I did it today. Looks nice today. Okay, so what are some things that we wanted to talk about? Let's see.
How do you feel?
So 30
What's
days.
different?
Okay, so.
Does it feel any different to you than when we started?
Yes, it does, and for a few reasons.
Okay, how's that?
So, one, I have been cooking every single meal for the last 30 days, and if you did watch that vlog, you would know that's the one thing I kept on bringing up. It was, I just want takeout. Why is everyone doing takeout? I don't understand takeout.
For the record, I love your cooking. You know that.
I know, but I'm sick of cooking for the last 30 days, coming up with ideas, just the act of doing it.
There's some meals you make that
like this barbecue pulled chicken that we've been having.
Barbecue pulled chicken's great.
Whew!
Oh, yeah.
That was good.
Just wolf that one down.
Yeah. But I feel there's two ways I feel about this. I feel fine that I get to be at home with him all the time.
This guy.
This guy. I didn't say it. And I also feel... What?
We changed the name of the vlog to This Guy Vlogs.
Oh, Lord. I don't think I said that
No.
at all in this last vlog.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, anyways.
I edited it.
So, what was I saying? Oh, so I feel fine in that sense, but I also feel kind of anxious in a way because I'm home more than usual. I feel like I should be getting stuff done because I'm just going to go ahead and say it, other people are. They are working out. I've stopped working out. They're cleaning their house, and I only clean my house the weekly on Monday thing. I feel like I should be going through my closets, doing deep cleans of the floors and cabinets, washing the walls. I don't know. I just feel like I should be doing some kind of deep cleaning that everyone seems to be doing. But I haven't. It's on my list to at least clean the closets.
Would it help if we set, goals?
I mean...
this week I'm going to do this one thing.
Yeah, maybe.
Next week maybe you do the closets. The week after you do another thing.
Maybe.
It's on your list.
Possibly. But I also feel scared also in a way just because this all started at the beginning of wedding season. So I'm running into, just like many, the issues of weddings being postponed or canceled. And it's kind of... I mean, we're doing fine. We haven't gotten any assistance from anything because, like I said, he's still working from home, and we are still booking weddings for the end of the year and for 2021. So we do still have a bit of an income in, coming in, but I don't know. In a way, it's kind of weird that my wedding season isn't starting until literally, I think July 31st is my first wedding. And she doesn't even know if she's going to be doing it because she wants to kind of change things at least a month before. So we're in the air with that too. So if that happens, then I think like August will be like the beginning of our wedding season, which is weird.
That's pretty much August.
True.
Anyway.
It is, yeah. But yeah.
That's insane because our first wedding's usually April or May.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
We did have one in January, but we count that as end of last year's
We count
season.
that as like a limbo. Because we have one next year in January too.
Yeah.
But how are you? How are you feeling?
I'm okay. I mean, it doesn't really feel that weird. Is that weird?
I mean, some days it does and some days it doesn't, right?
No, for me, it kind of it's okay. I'm cool with it. Obviously, I would change where we are now to have our lives back, you know? Because too many things have been canceled, obviously, to...
You want to tell them what's
to
canceled?
people getting sick and dying. So I would, in a heartbeat, go back to where we were.
For sure.
But you live and learn. I feel like I'm making the best of it.
You are.
But
yeah, what are some things that were canceled?
There's unlimited concerts.
Tell them first. Back it up and tell them how many tickets you bought for concerts this year.
A lot. I spent all of our money on concert tickets.
Yeah.
Like all of our money, we all of a sudden were broken, had no money, and we had to pay bills with nothing because I spent
cancel
all of our money.
subscriptions.
Yeah, we had to cancel
Which
everything in order to go to concerts.
We still don't have because, Rona.
Concerts that we can't go to.
Yeah.
And then we had to reschedule Disney.
Yep. Which, by the way, at first I was like, okay, fine, it's in October, it'll be fine. But then, like, I keep on reading articles of...
Don't read things.
Well, I don't know. It's not that I'm, like, reading it. It is that I'm reading it, but I keep on seeing, like, this is going to extend into August, and then September, and that's still a little close to October, so even if the world does open up again, like Disney and stuff, do I want to go in October? And it's early October. Is it going to be clean? Is it going to be safe? Is it going to be fully operational? And that was the concerns I had earlier before we even knew that we would be here 30 days later. So I guess everything is literally the worst. Well, besides people dying, the other worst part of this is is not knowing how long it's going to last.
Yeah. It's unknown. I mean, that could happen for many things, you know?
Yeah.
But you just got to take it day by day and just see what happens and just do the best you can to distance yourself from the public.
Yeah, for sure. Some things that we've been doing to keep us busy. What about you? What have you been doing to keep yourself busy? Besides working Monday through Friday.
When I'm not, well, everything's work, so when I'm not working as far as a day job.
True. The one you have to work.
You know, I work with bands. You know, I love doing that, so I can't really say it's work, but...
But
you know.
How is that different from what you're doing now to before?
It's constant. It's non-stop. Yeah. So, for instance, when I'm not at my day job, usually I would be in this office editing videos or writing music. But I get all the time in the world because we don't leave. So, it's just constant write music, work on things for other bands, videos, and whatnot. A
lot of video conferences with them?
Yeah, it's turning into Skype or, you know, whatever video.
Zoom, Google Hangouts.
I haven't used Zoom yet.
No, you haven't. You have one tonight with Google Hangouts.
Yeah.
And you've been using Facebook?
But it's pretty much like 3 days a week, sometimes less, of meetings, which that's fine, you know, it's all you can do. Because no one's leaving their homes. A few of the people I talk to are essential personnel, so they do have to work their day jobs, but...
what else do you do on your free time? So you have...
I don't know. I play music.
You play guitar, you're making music.
Yeah.
We are watching lots of movies.
Yeah. Well, so as a background for me, I love watching movies and TV shows, like Netflix, whatever's on.
So that's not new, I guess.
But I would like that anyway, but I watch a lot of it so that I can, get better at my craft of making videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
I noticed watching something that looks really cool, and in my head I diagnose how they did that and figure out that I can do something like that and just make it my own.
In the last 30 days, we have watched the series finale of Hawaii Five-0.
Oh,
We started a new series called Good Girls, and we're up to date with that.
They're actually bad girls. Spoiler alert.
What else have we watched?
Ozark.
Oh yeah, Ozark. We're in the middle of that.
Middle of season 2 for Ozark. I think there's 3 seasons.
2 or 3 seasons?
There's 3 seasons. We're on season 2.
Okay. I thought we were further than that, but I guess not.
Watch South Park every night.
Yep. We tried Tiger King. We think we're gonna try it a little more.
Everyone says to.
It's like this thing. I don't understand.
The thing is, I don't want to fall in line with what everyone else is doing just because everyone else is doing it.
Yeah, but I do want to know what people are talking about.
Yeah, if I'll really like it, it's not documented well. I watch it, and that's a part of me is like, I could have done this better.
Yeah.
Why not hire me? Netflix, hire me for your documentaries because I can make them better than your people.
Yeah. For me, Nick got me this beautiful
What is that?
piece of hardware.
What is that?
Nintendo Switch.
Stitch?
For
Lilo and
Christmas.
Switch?
And to be honest, we haven't played it a lot. We do Mario Kart, Super Mario Brothers. I played Spyro and Crash Bandicoot on it. But
You got mad at Spyro.
Yeah, Spyro's driving me absolutely nuts.
And the Lion King video game from when we were kids for Nintendo and Sega.
Yes.
I had it for Sega. I think you had it for Nintendo.
Game Boy.
Game Boy?
Yeah, Game Boy.
Who does Game Boy? Is that Nintendo?
Sega?
Sega Game Boy? That doesn't sound right.
Game Boy? I don't know. Leave in the comments below who does Game Boy, because I don't...
We're not video game people.
Yeah, not at all.
I had it for Sega Genesis.
Well, it's really weird because, like you said, we're not video game people, but there's a video game called Animal Crossing. I don't even know why I said it like that, because you know what Animal Crossing is.
What is it?
It's... Okay, for those that might not know, it's
I've
just
seen you
like
play
Nick compares it to like a Farmville kind of game. So basically, you have a character, it's an island, and you just like build your island from like the ground up. You get villagers, new houses, plant trees, flowers.
Is there a Disney in there?
No Disney in here.
Maybe you could build the Disney.
Yeah, I've seen
Like
some. I've seen like Disney like dresses and stuff, but I haven't seen. Anyways, so I've gotten Animal Crossing. I was gonna say, what was I gonna say?
Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, maybe I was gonna say that.
Animal Planet.
Yeah, because you said Disney, but I got that, and I literally spend pretty much a few hours a day playing, and that's been keeping me occupied. I think it's also a little bit of an issue because, like I said, there's things I should be doing, like cleaning my closet and.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, yes, there's work to be done, but it's limited right now. I'm answering emails. I'm taking phone calls. I'm making blog posts from last year's sessions. And I'm just, like, doing some kind of financing stuff. And that's, like, literally all I've been doing. Some marketing, like, posting on Google and trying to figure out Instagram with the whole photo challenge thing. So, yeah.
You have a fuzzy.
What else do you want to talk about?
I don't know. Are you going crazy? You feel like you're mentally still with it, or are you gonna need to see a therapist after all this?
I already needed to see a therapist.
I need a sip of water. Hang on. You keep going.
Honestly, I'm fine. This is gonna sound maybe like a fat girl problem, but I really just want restaurant quality food. Really bad.
Away. Sun went away.
And we're back. There was a cloud that interrupted this. We have curtains, white curtains behind this camera, and it's acting like a light box right now, like a
That's pretty cool.
soft box.
How's it look?
Well, I feel like there's a cloud coming by. But anyways, are you going crazy?
No.
Am I going crazy?
I feel like I'm stable.
I'm not going crazy. Like I said, I just want
like
restaurant quality food because I am sick of cooking.
But imagine that day when we get to leave.
Oh, please explain the plans.
And do a food tour throughout New England.
Food tour.
There's a pizza place that I just learned about. I forget what it's called, but it's from Connecticut somewhere. That I guess is really good. John wants to go. But we're going to Wahlburgers. We're going to Grumpy's for breakfast. We're going to the BBC for fish and chips.
I really want Ember Pizza.
Ember Pizza's good. I like
San Diego's.
I like Dennis Poor House of Pizza. D-Hop.
I like Ember.
Shout out to D-Hop. Ember's really, really good too.
San Diego's.
San Diego's.
Chips and sauce.
Yeah,
Dairy Queen.
No, go to a creamery. You can have your Dairy Queen.
This is where we differ. He likes like the hard stuff, and I like soft serve. Like anytime I put ice cream into my bowl, I have to like stir it so it's like a soft serve.
It's true. She does every time.
Can you see us?
Is it dark again? That dang cloud! Get out of here, cloud!
Alright, well that was our first 30 days. We filmed this, like, wanted to kind of recap it, say how we feel, and kind of just, like, I don't know, tell you what our future is. I mean, as much as we can. We're going to be filming quarantine weekly vlogs, because he has a lot.
It's dark again.
Ah!
That's alright, keep going. I'll adjust the lighting.
No, what if it just, like, takes a second and comes back like it has been?
I think it might be below the trees now. Yeah, it is. What if I go like this?
Does that help?
I guess a little bit. It's good enough to watch to do an outro.
Alright.
Say goodbye.
Alright. So, guys, we're going to end this vlog here. We hope that your quarantine is going well. We hope that you're being responsible and staying home if you don't have to go out. Please just stay home. And in about a week, we're going to post our first weekly quarantine and kind of keep you guys up to date that way. So
that's right.
Weekly quarantine vlogs, because this
one
was really long. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button with a little bell next to it so you get little notifications.
Ding!
Why don't you just leave a
bell.
comment too, because I know that I asked you a few questions. So I'll talk to you guys there, and we'll see you in a week with another vlog. Bye!
Point at the camera.